everyone. Guess what I've got? So, yes, I have been stocking these dolls for, I would say, about 3 years. And I finally decided to go ahead and pull the trigger and get one. So, let's just get to her. I will talk about other things related to smartdolls in other videos, but I got some clothing items for her so that she had something to wear, and also so I could get the free shipping, of course. Oh my goodness. Now she's big. Oops. I don't have the best camera set up for this, I can tell you right now. But I didn't want to wait. Oh my goodness gracious, she is a big girl. Alright, so pull her out of here. She's wearing the stock underwear. So this is Resilient. She is a smart doll, but she's the semi-real smart doll, and she is in the skin tone tea. Let's take a look at her face. Oh wow, oh my goodness. So I am not used to such large dolls. The biggest doll I have right now are 18-inch dolls. She's hefty. She's a hefty gal. Whoa. Come on, tripod, work with me here. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh. She's a little stiff, which from the 5 million videos I've watched and various posts I've read, that is to be expected. Alright, so let's look in her box real quick. She needs to have her wig, which is in here. Hold on, Missy. Oh. Ooh, yeah, those look like the boots. They look different. I didn't realize the heels looked like that. I thought they were wedgies. But that's fine. Here is her wig. But you know how much I like red-haired dolls, so it was really hard to pick one. I had 3 different dolls sort of narrowed down. I prefer the semi-real over the traditional smart dolls. I'm not against anime. It's just not, you know, doesn't ring my bells. So, yeah, so on the 3 dolls I had sort of narrowed down to were, was it, Entropy was one of them. I'm trying to remember what the other one was. Well, I'm all worked up now because I have to look at this doll. I will talk about that in another video, like I said. And I think I'll also discuss my experience ordering. It was very different than what I've done in the past. Got the jeans. We've got her stand. Got all the regular stuff. Alright. Let's take a look at her wig. I know this is going to be something kind of tricky to put on, so I probably won't do it on camera, but I do want to go ahead and pull out the wig and take a look at it with you guys. It's like one big curl. It's very soft, this side. Very stretchy. Alright, so I have her wig on. I might mess with it a little bit more. I think it needs to come down a little. I will say it is not easy to get on. I had to really wrestle with her. And it is a beautiful wig. It's got some really interesting shades of different hair in it. It's not just one color. Her face up is different than I expected in a good way. I was concerned in the photographs. It looked like she had that her freckles were much more much darker, that she had a much heavier face up, but it's quite a subtle look, and that's usually my taste. I love her skin tone. One of the reasons why I kind of had a hard time deciding was because, you know, I like darker skin tones, and there weren't that many dolls available in the tea tone at all. And while I really like the cocoa tone dolls, I know he's supposedly, the company has a new doll coming out with cocoa skin that I saw on Instagram, and I fell in love with that doll, and so I was like, I should just wait it out, see if I can get that new doll before I decide on getting a cocoa skin doll. But here she is in all of her undie glory, and wow, it's hard to get her in the shot. Folks, wowie, it's a big doll. She's really big. I'm very happy though with my purchase, and like I said, I'll do a follow-up video. I'm rearranging my sort of filming setup right now in my tiny little room, and but I didn't want to wait to take a picture of her. She came just a few minutes ago, and I wanted to make sure I filmed this experience, and I will be doing some other videos with this new dolly and show you some clothes, etc. that I have purchased for her, including the ones that she came with, which I purchased. She didn't come with them, I purchased them, but I will be doing some unboxings of various clothes and dolly dress-ups with her, etc. But yeah, here she is. Resilient Tea. Semi-real smart doll. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. I know these dolls are not everybody's cup of tea, so go ahead. I have the big girl panties on. What do you think about the smart dolls? Let me know in the comments. And as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. And please watch the end of the video. And yeah, have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.